Hello, what's up, my beautiful people? How are you? It's your boy Kibona Azori here to this YouTube channel. Welcome back here to our YouTube channel. If it's your first time, don't forget to share, like, comment, and to subscribe. But I hope you're doing good, you're doing great. Welcome back here to our YouTube channel. But I have the good news to you about my journey here to this YouTube channel. I want you to know here today about my plans here to create content. I want to tell you about my plan here to this YouTube channel. I'm a content creator. I'm a traveler, but in this year I wish to travel to the different region here in Tanzania, and I want to show you the different culture here, the different lifestyle from the different tribes here in Tanzania, and I want to show you how people they're doing the different activities to the region here in Tanzania. But pray for me because that is a big journey, and it was taking a lot of things me to do that. But I hope for the goodness of the Lord I will do a lot, and I will do all of things that I plan to do for the goodness of the Lord. But pray for me about this journey. Also, it was not easy. It is not easy, but sure, for the goodness of the Lord. I want to travel at the all region here in Tanzania. But I hope I can do that, and I can finish all region here in Tanzania. Like a lot of things here. When I can start that and I can finish to do that, I want to travel around East Africa to show the different environment and different culture and different lifestyle from the different country here in East Africa. But when I start that journey here, when I finish that journey here in Tanzania, all around the region, I can start to the African country, not East Africa, all Africa country, to show you how people live, how people doing their different activities, and how people do it. How people, I want to say something here. It's all about culture, yeah. But pray for me to do that, and may God protect me about all, because it is not easy. That is a big plan, and I hope everything it will be okay, because this is it take time me to do that, and a lot of money. I hope everything will be okay, and I will do that here in Tanzania. When I finish here Tanzania all region, I can start for Africa, but all in Africa I can do to the all East Africa country and around Africa continent country. But I hope I will do that for the goodness of the Lord. Yeah. Welcome to support me. If you have idea, or you have support, it was like to spread to share my link or my YouTube account to others, and to subscribe here to my YouTube account. That is a big support to me. When you can do that, may God bless you, because I know what you wish to me, and may God bless you. That is all about the mess of the Lord, and I will do that for the goodness of the Lord. I can't stop to do that because it's all about the mess of the Lord. And when I do that, there is something to this, and I can master that. I finish all of things to this. Yeah, you don't know what you mean, but you can know when I start to do that journey here around Tanzania. When I finish Tanzania, I'm started around Africa countries, and when I finish to the Africa countries, I'm doing around the world, all country. I can start from one to another, one to another, one to another. I hope I can do this, and I can finish to do this in all of place that you mentioned here, for the goodness and for the what, for the willing of the Lord. Welcome back here to our YouTube channel. I go by the name of Kibona's Word. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and to subscribe here to our YouTube channel. I hope we're doing good wherever you are, and you have a good time right now, wherever you are, to a country or to a place. But welcome back here to our YouTube channel. It's your boy Kibona's Word. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and to subscribe. But here in Tanzania, there is a lot of things. I can't stop to say that. Welcome Tanzania, guys. Here in Tanzania, you can enjoy. There's different things or activities to do here. When you like to do what? To do the tourism here in Tanzania, there is a lot of places that you can do that. When you like to do the business here in Tanzania, there is a lot of business here. Business that it was like doing the mining activities, agriculture activities, fishing activities, and the different hunting activities here if we want to do that. But welcome Tanzania, welcome East Africa here to enjoy a lot of good things here, good place, good environment, and good place for relaxing, meditation, enjoyment. That is all here at Tanzania. Welcome Tanzania. Welcome East Africa. Yeah, it's your boy Kibona's Word here. I hope we're doing good and doing glitter. Me, I'm feeling so good, and I'm so super excited to be here to our YouTube channel, because I have good news to you, and I have a lot of things to you about Tanzania, about all religion here in Tanzania, about all country in East Africa and around the East Africa continent, and all around the world. Welcome back here to our YouTube channel. You can watch a lot of press here, a lot of lifestyle here, a lot of good environments here from the different places. Welcome Tanzania, welcome East Africa.